5 seconds. The Indian Army is the land-based branch and the largest component of the Indian Armed Forces. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Army and its professional head is the Chief of Army Staff, who is a 4-state general. 2 officers have been conferred with the rank of Field Marshal, a 5-star rank which is a ceremonial position of great honor. The Indian Army originated from the armies of the East India Company, which eventually became the British India Army, and the armies of the princely states which were merged into the National Army after independence. The units and regiments of the Indian Army have diverse histories and have participated in a number of battles and campaigns around the world, earning many battle and theatre honors before and after independence. The primary mission of the Indian Army is to ensure national security and national unity, to defend the nation from external aggression and internal threats, and to maintain peace and security within its borders. It conducts humanitarian rescue operations during national calamities and other disturbances such as Operation Surya Hope, and can also be requisitioned by the government to cope with internal threats. It is a major component of national power alongside the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. The Army has been involved in 4 wars with neighboring Pakistan and 1 with China. Other major operations undertaken by the Army include Operation Vijay, Operation Meghdoot, and Operation Cactus. The Army has conducted large peace time exercises such as Operation Brass Tacks and Exercise Shurveer, and it has also been an active participant in numerous United Nations peacekeeping missions, including those in Cyprus, Lebanon, Congo, Angola, Cambodia, Vietnam, Namibia, El Salvador, Libya, Mozambique, South Sudan, and Somalia. The Indian Army is operationally and geographically divided into 7 commands, with the basic field formation being a division. Below the division level are permanent regiments that are responsible for their own recruiting and training. The Army is an all-volunteer force and comprises more than 80% of the country's active defense personnel. It is the largest standing army in the world with 1,237,117 active troops and 96,000 reserve troops. The Army has embarked on an infantry modernization program known as Futuristic Infantry Soldier as a system, and is also upgrading and acquiring new assets for its armored, artillery and aviation branches. Upon the partition of India and Indian independence in 1947, 4 of the 10 Gurkha regiments were transferred to the British Army. The rest of the British Indian Army was divided between the newly created nations of India and Pakistan. The Punjab Boundary Force, which had been formed to help police the Punjab during the partition period, was disbanded. Headquarters Delhi and the East Punjab Command were formed to administer the area. The departure of virtually all senior British officers following independence and their replacement by Indian officers meant many of the latter held acting ranks, several ranks above their substantive ones. For instance, the Ground Forces Commander of Indian Forces during the First Indo-Pak War of 1947-49 and the future Third Corps were first an acting Major General and then an acting Lieutenant General during the conflict while holding the substantive rank of Major and only received a substantive promotion to Lieutenant Colonel in August 1949. Gopal Gurunath Bevur, the future 9 cause, was an acting colonel at his promotion to substantive major from substantive captain in 1949.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.